You have exactly 120 seconds. Your pen is hovering over your scratch pad, and the exam timer is rapidly ticking down. This is the scenario: 8 people, mixed facing directions, and a hidden 3-generation family tree. Freezing at this moment of cognitive overload is where most aspirants fail. It is the exact point where cutoffs are lost. Calm, regaining control. To fix this, you have to follow one directive: stop rereading the text. We are going to map this scenario systematically, so the visual framework does the work that your working memory can't. Relying on raw mental processing is a trap. Utilizing an external visual system allows you to manage the immense puzzle complexity that would otherwise cause your brain to stall. Consider this phrasing: the mother of B sits third to the right of A, who faces the same direction as B's only sister. Most people try to mentally rotate the circle, physically turning their heads to figure out who faces in and who faces out. In a timed environment, this is a fatal error. The bidirectional anchor is the physical alternative to that mental rotation. Start with a clean 8-seat circle. Draw double-headed arrows outside the circle to track those facing directions securely. If the information excludes a seat for a specific person, mark a red cross there immediately. This is negative mapping. Externalizing these constraints onto the paper eliminates mental clutter and ensures you never have to revisit the original paragraph to find your place. Now look at this layout. We have a 10-floor puzzle with only 4 occupied floors, which must be solved alongside a family tree. The trap is attempting to guess floor placements before you have resolved the relationships in the family tree. Pause the video here. Look at the available data and determine who the son-in-law is and which floor his identity locks in. The tree identifies C as the son-in-law in the 2nd generation. Because C is the son-in-law, the rule placing him 3 floors above the grandson on floor 4 can be applied. Floor 7 is now locked. When you resolve a position in one framework, it collapses the possibilities in the other, turning a grind into a rapid, locked solution. The puzzle is solved. The anxiety of the timer is gone. Here is your survival kit: arrow anchors outside the circle, negative mapping with crosses, and locking positions via the family tree. Screenshot this now. Apply this specific toolkit in your next mock exam to stop losing marks on these arrangements. True exam speed is a byproduct of structured accuracy. Start building that habit daily with Deduce.